Hi everybody, I'm Cody.
And I'm Jared.
And we are here from Canna Coffee.
Yeah, we thought we'd put together a few videos for you to show you a variety of different coffees with a variety of different brewing methods, from mocha pots to plungers or French presses to cold brews to espresso brews to Nespresso brews, and to also create some coffee-based drinks and desserts. Some delicious ones with our CBD infused coffee.
Not only will we be making coffee on our YouTube channel, we'll also be enlightening you about more information about coffee. Things maybe you didn't know, how to store your coffee. We'll even put in some coffee jokes just to keep things lighthearted.
If you like the videos that we are doing, and if you have any suggestions or any requests that you'd like us to do, or if you have any questions about coffee or your specific brew method at home that you're not too sure about, how to tweak it, how to perfect it, let us know in the comments. Any questions that you may have about anything, then let us know.
Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell. Well, till next time, bye!